Hey girl, what's up?
Hey boo, everything is up. I got invited to a party tonight and you have to come with me.
Oh, do you see this hair?
Don't worry, I got you. Go to the Vita Supply on King Drive in Bronzeville and look in the freezer section. You'll see some avocado products.
My friend Davi told me to come in here looking for some avocado products.
Girl, Mielle Organics' new avocado and Tamanu collection are literally the coldest in the game. They're made with a cold application technology. This collection is the first by Mielle, specifically formulated to target frizz, triggered by dryness, damage, and humidity.
Girl, I need this ASAP.
Don't worry, your friend Davi is VIP here. I'll get you into the salon.
Girl, you've been here all along.
You know I had to keep it a surprise.
Jatina, I like her straight look, but I want my curls.
Say less. This collection works for both curly and straight styles.
Shop the AT collection at mielleorganics.com.